Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will walk through how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So, let's dive right in. Meta AI is an AI-powered tool that can enhance your WhatsApp experience by answering questions, summarizing information, and even sparking creative ideas. If you're curious about how to get started with Meta AI, you've come to the right place. So, open the Play Store app on your mobile. Then, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, tap on the Manage Apps and Devices option. After that, tap on the Updates Available option. Now, here you will find all the apps that need to be updated. You can simply tap on the Update option next to the WhatsApp app, or tap on the Update All option in the top right corner. This will install the updated version on the WhatsApp app. And that's it. Now let's talk about accessing the Meta AI on your WhatsApp. In the message bar at the bottom of the screen, type I, followed by a space. As you type, a list of suggestions will appear above the message bar. You can simply select the Meta AI option to access this feature. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.